video, we will solve some multiple choice questions, that is MCQ. Let's see first MCQ. Cofactor matrix of this matrix is. Now cofactor matrix is denoted by Aij, and the elements in cofactor matrix is the value of determinant obtained by eliminating row and column of that element. So there are four cofactors. First cofactor is denoted by capital A11 and obtained by eliminating first row and first column. Then the value of this remaining element is the first cofactor. Now the cofactor of second element obtained by eliminating first row and second column. Then the value of remaining element with opposite sign is the cofactor of second element. Now the third element is 4. So eliminating their row and column, then the value of remaining element with opposite sign is the cofactor of third element. Order of this second element and third element is 2 1 and 1 2, and addition of that order is odd, therefore sign is opposite. Now the cofactor of fourth element obtained by eliminating that row and column, then the value of remaining element is the cofactor of fourth element. So cofactor matrix is -1, -4, -3 and 1. The correct option is D. So the D is the correct option, and this is the cofactor matrix of the given matrix. Now in short, the simple way for finding the cofactor by exchanging this diagonal element, then -1 1, and exchanging these non-diagonal elements with opposite sign, then we get -4 and -3. In this way, in simple way, we get the cofactor matrix. Now second MCQ is, if A is a matrix and adjoint of A is also matrix with elements 4A, -3 and B, then the value of A and B are. Now here elements A and B are variables, so we have to find out the value of A and B. So first find the value of adjoint of A. So for the second MCQ, find the adjoint A is equal to the adjoint of A obtained by exchanging these diagonal elements, that is 4 and 1, and exchanging the sign only of these non-diagonal elements. So -2 and -3 are non-diagonal elements in adjoint A. So this is the adjoint A. By comparing the given adjoint A with this matrix, then we get, by comparing the corresponding elements, A is equal to -2 and B is equal to 1. So correct option is, first option is correct. So A is equal to -2 and B is equal to 1. Third MCQ is, the inverse of matrix is, the inverse of this matrix. We know that inverse of matrix can be obtained by using formula 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A. So first obtain the determinant of given matrix. Determinant of A is equal to -2 cross multiplying of the elements and +15 is equal to +13. So determinant A is equal to 13 and adjoint A obtained by exchanging the diagonal elements, exchanging the diagonal elements in this way and exchange the sign of non-diagonal elements only. So -5 and opposite sign of -3 is +3. This is the adjoint of A. So A inverse is equal to 1 upon 13 into the matrix 2 -5 and 3 minus 1. So this option is the first option. So correct option is A, 1 upon 13 into the matrix 2 minus 5 and 3 minus 1. Now the fourth MCQ is the inverse of this matrix is again the inverse of given matrix. So using formula method, A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A. Now the value of determinant A is 0 minus 1. So minus 1 is the value of determinant A, and adjoint A can be obtained by exchanging the diagonal element 0 0 and exchanging the sign of non-diagonal elements minus 1 minus 1. Now here determinant of A is minus 1 and adjoint is 0 minus 1 minus 1 0. So multiplying this minus 1 to every element in this matrix, then we get the element 0 plus 1 and 0, and this answer lies in second option. So the option B 0 1 1 0 is the correct option. So here inverse of this matrix is 0 1 1 0. Now the next MCQ, the inverse of A of order 3 by 3 is, this is the option I, identity matrix I, A complement and minus identity matrix I. Now here we have to find out the inverse of this matrix. So write the equation of inverse of the matrix A into A inverse is equal to identity matrix I. We know this equation. A is the given matrix, write the matrix 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 into A inverse is equal to identity matrix with elements 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Now by observation, here these two rows, interchanging these two rows, that is interchanging R1 and R2, then we get the identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A inverse is equal to the same transformation applied on this side, then 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix I into A inverse is equal to this matrix. Then we get A inverse is equal to 0 1 0 1 0 0 and 0 0 1. And this is the original matrix A. So A inverse and A both are same. Therefore the inverse of this matrix is also A. Therefore the B option is correct. Now the inverse of symmetric matrix is, what is the symmetric matrix? Symmetric matrix, if any matrix is symmetric, then the given matrix and its transpose both are equal, then that matrix is called symmetric matrix. Transpose means, transpose is the matrix we get by interchanging rows and column. Now the inverse of symmetric matrix, for this we have to find, here we consider A into A inverse is equal to identity matrix I, and taking transpose on both sides, then A into A inverse transpose of A into A inverse into transpose of identity matrix I. So by using the property of transpose of A inverse, A into A inverse is A inverse transpose into transpose of A into transpose of identity matrix is same as identity matrix I. But transpose of A is same as the given matrix A. So put the value of transpose of A is equal to identity matrix I. Now using the equation A into A inverse is equal to I and transpose of A inverse into A is equal to I. Comparing these two equations, we get A inverse is equal to A transpose of A inverse. We know that inverse of any matrix is unique. So the inverse of A are not different, they are equal. So A into A inverse is equal to I and A inverse transpose of A inverse into A is equal to I. Comparing this, both the inverses are same, that is A inverse and transpose of A inverse both are equal, and this shows that the inverse of symmetric matrix is symmetric, that is A inverse and transpose of A inverse both are equal, that is the inverse of symmetric matrix is symmetric. So the first option is correct. Now next example, for any 2 by 2 matrix A, if A into adjoint of A is equal to 10 0 0 10, then determinant A equals, we know that the formula A into adjoint A is equal to determinant A into I. So, and the value of A into adjoint of A is given with elements 10 0 and 0 10 is equal to determinant A into I. Take 10 common from this matrix, then we get 10 into 1 0 0 1 is equal to determinant E into identity matrix I. So by comparing this equation, then identity matrix, this is the identity matrix I and the value 10 is the value of determinant A. So in these questions, determinant A equals 10. So the option B is correct. Now next example, if A is equal to this matrix, then A inverse is, A is given and find the value of A inverse. So by formula, we know that A inverse obtained by using 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A. So first find out the value of determinant A. Determinant A can be find by using expansion 2 into cross multiplication of this determinant. 2 minus 2 is 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 minus second element 2 and eliminating row and column of that element, then 2 minus 2 is 0 and plus third element 2, and also by eliminating row and column of that element, the value of determinant is 2 minus 2 is 0. So determinant is equal to 0, and we know if value of determinant of any matrix is 0, then that matrix is singular and the inverse of that matrix does not exist. So here options are 4 options, there are 4 options, and the C option is correct. The inverse of this matrix is not exist. Now the next MCQs. If A is equal to the matrix and A into adjoint A is equal to K into I, then the value of K is, we know that A into adjoint A is equal to determinant A into identity matrix I. So comparing this, the given equation with this equation, the K is the value of determinant A. So find the value of determinant A is equal to 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. So K is the value of determinant of A, and therefore the value of K is minus 3. Option D is correct. Next, MCQ. If A is a matrix, then the adjoint of matrix A. We have already found that the adjoint of any matrix by exchanging the diagonal elements. So here exchanging the diagonal elements, that 1 and 2, and exchange the sign of non-diagonal elements, then we get the adjoint of given matrix. So 1 4 3 2, here exchanging the sign, so here we get -3. So the correct option is 1 2 4 and -3. Correct option is B. Now the next example, if A is equal to the matrix, then A inverse does not exist if lambda is equal to. Here A is the matrix with elements lambda 1 and -1 minus lambda. Then A inverse does not exist. We know that A inverse of any matrix does not exist if the value of its determinant is equal to 0. So consider the value of determinant A is equal to determinant of given matrix lambda 1 minus 1 minus lambda is equal to 0. So find the value of determinant minus lambda square plus 1 is equal to 0, and then minus lambda square is equal to -1. Minus minus will be cancelled and lambda square is equal to 1. So lambda is equal to plus or minus 1. So lambda is equal to plus or minus 1, and correct option is B. Now the next MCQ. If A is equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha, then A inverse. A is given and then find the value of A inverse. So we know the formula A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A is equal to determinant of A cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, and value is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. So determinant of A is 1 and adjoint of A can be obtained by exchanging these diagonal elements, that is cos alpha and exchanging the sign of these non-diagonal elements. Then we get second elements with opposite sign, sin alpha and minus sin alpha, and the correct option is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Correct option is B. In this way we have solved some MCQs on the matrices.